Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. Today we're redoing some tags for our Etsy packages. So the ones I made before are cute, these are them. I don't love the bright white ribbon though with the rustic vibe, and I also hand cut these because I didn't have a tag punch. And then I was just kind of slipping in the thank you card as well. So I want to make these a little more streamlined. First, I'm going to take some scrap pieces of muslin and canvas. I'll take a paper cutter. I did get a tag punch, and I've had this photo corner cutter forever. And then we're going to take all kinds of different types of paper. So I have ephemera, I have music sheets, this is scrapbook paper, I have calendar paper, I have paint samples, all kinds of stuff. We're going to start by taking apart the current tags. I don't want to waste, but I also don't want to use these, at least not exactly the way they are now. Then we'll cut those muslin and canvas strips to fit inside our hole punch. We're going to hand write our thank you cards. Somebody might be ordering this as a gift, so I like to make sure I also put a caution note in there because I do use some rusty metals and scrap woods and things like that in my projects. Then we'll take our corner cutter here and our tag punch and make it a part of our tag. So now our little thank you card doesn't need to be separate. Now because I didn't waste any supplies, I'm going to do this with all of our prior tags. So because our prior ones were hand cut by me and hole punched by me, and I'm a human, they are not perfect. But going forward, they will all match up perfectly. And these new ones just fit the projects, they fit the style of our page, they fit just so much better. So I started by doing all of the prior ones that we had, and then I will take our new papers, the paint swatches, the calendar pages, the scrapbook pages, all of that, and I will cut some new ones as well. This is something that instead of making one at a time, getting all of this back out, I think having, 10 or 20 at a time is reasonable, and that way you can just grab a cute one and throw it in the package. We'll follow the same process. We'll cut a straight line. We will use our tag punch. We'll round the corners, and then we will put them all together. You can do different lengths. You could make some cute bookmarks with this. And then I just picked 2 or 3 to go with my little thank you tag and my handwritten note, and I started putting them together. With spring coming up, I did a couple bunny ones as well. I like the little key in there, the little metal key, the fabric, and the paper all together. And now you have a heartfelt written note, a thank you card, and a little bit of texture to go in your package. All handmade, all very sweet, and all different styles you can do. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.